You can scale your business if you focus on your creatives. In this video, I am not going to tell you how to run Facebook ads and how to do optimization. This video is all about the creative. This is the masterclass that I have developed for you guys to tell you what kind of ad you should create and how to think Facebook ads creatives on the macro level where it all matters. So this video is all about the ad creatives. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 75 million in revenue for my clients. So if you need any help, you can reach out to me using the link in description. Please like this video and comment down and share this video to whom you think it might be useful for their business. Let's start this video. This Facebook ad creative masterclass will, if you watch it till entirely and you didn't skip any slide, you will have a clear understanding how this masterclass will change how you run Facebook ads. This will change your perspective, how you see your Facebook ads, and you can make iterations and scale your business very easily. There are 5 stages of market sophistication or market awareness. I don't know you have heard about this or not, but I'm going to tell you each and everything. 5 stages of market sophistication and how you see this as a better funnel than tofu, mofu, bofu. If your advertiser is still using those things, you are losing so much money. With these small things to keep in mind before creating the ads, increase your revenue, increase your ad results. So let's start with the first, awareness. First stage of market sophistication is unaware market. Users are unaware, unconcerned with specific problems and are not looking for solution. This is the most scalable market. Like if you can tap in this market, you can scale your business so easily. You can scale your business so easily with this. Majority of people are stuck at some point that they are not able to scale their Facebook ads and they are not able to like tap into the market. So I'm going to tell you what kind of content you can make and what kind of ads you can create. So most scalable market is unaware market. What kind of content you can use? Celebrity content, humor, educational content. So if you see this slide, when you are tapping into unaware market, you need to educate your audience. You need to speak to those people whom you are addressing the solution to that their problem. For example, women over 40 love this mascara chips from Canada before and after, right? So you are speaking directly to those people. How I apply makeup for 50 plus skin. This is the video for that. Right? Busy executives swear by this energy catalyst. So you are speaking to that particular audience. You are trying to educate them with your product and with your content. Wallets are weird. Everybody use wallets. Every man carries one single every day, right? Everybody using the wallet. So you must be thinking why wallets are weird. So you try to read this. They look at this, look at the size of this wallet and look at this new product that company is trying to push. It is very sleek and it is providing a simple solution of this much size to this much, right? Every manager should hear this. You are trying to educate your core demographics, like if it is a 40-year-old woman or 50 plus women, how to take care of your skin, right? 10 signs your kid needs magnesium: teeth whitening, fatigue, muscle cramps, sugar cravings, anxiety, ringing in the ears, restless legs, cold finger, eye twitching, impaired balance. So this you must be wondering that 10 sign your kid needs magnesium. So you must be reading this whole content and seeing that if your kids having these types of symptoms, you can use like you have a problem with this, like your kids have some problem with this, so you will try to read whole concept, right? So you are educating in this unaware market. If you have a brand who is creating a solution, have a product that solve a problem, you must create a educational content so that people can read it and know about the problem that they are facing. They are not aware about they are having problem, but after reading your content, your video, your image, they get to know that oh, they have a problem. Second stage of market sophistication, problem aware. Users are aware, people are aware of their problems and potentially starting to research solution. If somebody read this, they are like they didn't know their kids have problem, but after reading this, yeah, there is a problem. Type of content you can use is UGC, testimonial, tutorial, founder story. How I finally get rid of cigarettes. Bloated, like asking question that are you bloated? We got you. Month 1. Combat bloating, promotes regularity, easy reflux. Month 2, best poops ever. Metabolism ignited, feeling lighter. Right? You are literally asking the question like how I finally got rid of sugar. So you are hungover. Say goodbye to your embarrassing skin. This is also good type. You can use these types of images like text images. My face gets so bloated, please help. What do I do? I just take Arab lot. It's done wonder for my face puffiness by target inflammation. You need to try it. Why our new earplugs are must for sensitive ears. Now you are like, if somebody read it's why our new earplugs are must for sensitive ears. Right, clearer speech, fewer distraction, perfect with always more connections. You are addressing the problem in the creatives. It can be image, it can be video. Right, if you are stuck at lower level, I will just tell you where you might be stuck, and you can just hop on to above level, and you will start seeing the great results with your ads when you think of and when you start producing these kinds of creatives for your brand. Third stage of market sophistication, solution aware. Users are aware of their problem and actively researching potential solutions. Type of content, us versus them, features, benefits, call out. Here the people are aware that they have a problem and they're actively reaching out to potential solutions. I'm just going back to this slide. Why our new earplugs are a must for sensitive. You must be thinking that you are a problem of sensitive ear, so then you can reach out to this. My face gets so bloated, please help. What do I do? Here people are asking question that they know about the problem but they're not about the solution. Somebody is giving them solution. So problem, solution. This is about third stage. Holy grail eye mask. Right, they people are searching for the eye mask that they can apply. Right, we are not like other hydration powders. Restore leading hydration powder, and they are showcasing that their product have this much amount of elements and this doesn't have this. Right, apple cider vinegar gummies, assisting weight loss, boost immunity, regulates, promote gut health, manage blood sugar level, enhance energy, suppress appetizer. Right, so brand name and product names. Right, you are now providing the solution. Users are of their problem and actively researching for the potential solution aware. Users are aware of their problem and actively reaching potential solution. People know they need eye mask, why they need hydration powders, why they need apple cider vinegar, why they need a serum, nourish, strengthen, and add a touch of lusciness to your locks. Right, so now these are the problem that people are facing, and now you are presenting the solution. Right, so normal granola with yogurt and elite with milk. Right, 11 gram proteins, 23 gram sugar, 4 gram fiber. Right, people are eating this granola with yogurt and they want to looking for better solution. Protein 23 grams, 2 grams, and fiber 10 grams. This is much better than this. Here again also us versus them. Energy mints and normal coffee, 125 mg of coffee, 60 servings, 1 grain, 1 cup for 4.95. Here only 40 cents. Right, this is also us versus them. Us versus them, that we see that here is the normal tape, here is this rest tape. Fourth stage of market sophistication. Here people are aware about the product. Right, users are aware of their problem, potential solutions, and potentially how you compare in the marketplace. Now they are all about your product, that why they should comparing your product with other products also. What kind of content you can make is testimonials and 3 reason why, 5 reason why. Like you must have seen the videos, for example, 5 reasons to try this wallet, why you need our new and improved earplugs. You must have seen, like this is this image I have shown to you. Why our new earplugs are must sensitive ears. Here you are addressing the issue of sensitive problem. Here you are addressing problem of sensitive ears. Why you need our new improved earplugs. So both the images are right, but they are both tapping into different market. For example, over here also, I sold every 75 seconds a best-selling award-winning Holy Grail eye mask. It is okay for the people who know about your product, right? And they are looking for other product also in the market. Here, Holy Grail eye mask. Here you are saying that Holy Grail eye mask, that you are providing a solution to the problem. Visible reduce lines in 10 minutes, brighten dark circles. Right? And here you are telling that this product is sold out. I sold every 75 seconds. I selling award winning Holy Grail eye mask. Right? Problem and solution. Fifth stage of market sophistication is product aware. User have seen your ad, user know about the product, user are aware of your products, brand positioning, how you stack against the competition. Here people are looking for how you compare in the marketplace. Now people are seeing that how you stack against the competition. Type of content is offer. This is the place where most ad creatives convert. I've seen that many people are just running these types of ads only, like providing 20%, 30%, 40% off to their people. It is the most likely to convert market level. And the last one also, you must have seen these types of ad: 50% off, 80% off, 40% off, brand names and products, mentioning their brand names and mentioning their product names also. Now I want you to understand like this: most people are running Facebook ads in this way. Most aware, they generally running these types of offer only, right? They don't know whether they will reach out to the new customers, but it is for the people who know about your product, right? They are just looking for an extra motivation to buy it. Here is the most scalable, where if you want to scale your Facebook ads and want to scale your business, you should create more of the most scalable ads that I mentioned. Like I told you, most of the people are here only product aware, solution aware. Like they are not mentioning even their problem, that what people are facing, and their product is providing the solution to them, right? So if you can create multiple videos about problem aware and unaware market, and obviously generally people are into this, so you can start creating the videos over here problem aware, and you will see how you can quickly scale your business. And once you tap into this, you want to scale your brand, you want to make it like everybody should know it, you need to start speaking to your audiences, unaware market, that they don't know about the problem they are facing. If your product have a solution, you should start creating the educational content around that, and then try to run ads on them. You need to tell people what problem they are facing. So I would suggest you to do not go with the tofu mofu style of ads, right? Think of your funnel in this way. Current ads you have in your arsenal, you should put them in these category and see which category that you are missing out, and start creating ads on them. I hope this video reaches you well, and if you like this video, please hit the like button.